If you're seeing a Squarespace network error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to figure out whether the problem is on Squarespace's side or caused by your own browser settings, extensions, or cookies. This is a simple troubleshooting method that can save you a lot of time and help you get back to editing your site much faster. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the first check. Open a separate tab in your browser and go to the official Squarespace status page. This is important because it tells you whether Squarespace is currently having issues with its service. Once the page loads, look specifically at the metrics for site editing and asset uploads. If you see a partial outage or service degradation, that usually means your internet connection is not the problem. Instead, Squarespace's backend network nodes are temporarily timing out, and that can cause errors while saving changes or uploading files. If the status page looks good, the next step is to test whether the issue is browser related. Open a new Incognito window in Chrome or a private window in your browser of choice. Then go directly to squarespace.com, log into your account, and open your site editor. Now repeat the exact same action that caused the network error before. For example, try uploading the same image again or saving the same page. This test is really useful because Incognito or private mode usually loads without the same cookies, extensions, or cached browser data that your normal window uses. If the action works perfectly in Incognito, then you've pretty much confirmed that the network error is being caused by something in your main browser session, not by Squarespace itself. At that point, go back to your regular browser window and clear your cache and cookies. This can remove corrupted session data that may be interfering with Squarespace. After that, temporarily disable any extensions that could block scripts or content, especially ad blockers like uBlock Origin or privacy tools like Privacy Badger. These extensions can sometimes interfere with the editor, uploads, or page-saving features. Once you've cleared the browser data and disabled the suspicious extensions, refresh Squarespace and test the same action again. In many cases, that is enough to fix the network error completely. If it still doesn't work, you can keep troubleshooting by testing another browser or checking whether a VPN, firewall, or security tool is blocking the connection. So the key idea here is simple. First, confirm whether Squarespace is having an outage. Then, if the status page is normal, isolate the problem by using Incognito mode. If Incognito works, focus on your browser cache, cookies, and extensions. That approach will help you find the real cause much faster. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what error you're seeing so I can help in a future guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.